Okay, now I'm back again trying to explain strange sounds because I've been hearing things about these strange sounds. I'll tell you exactly what they are. Now you can choose to believe it or not, but this is what they are. It has to be based on, of course, the hollow earth theory again, the vortex of energy, there we go. The two suns spinning around each other with the cold fusion reaction going on. If you've seen my other videos, you'll know this. If you haven't, go back and watch them or else you're not going to understand it. So we are, again, like I said, on the inside of this, and that's why the suns function like that. Now I said the daylight map is key to this. Now you take the daylight map and you fold it inward, you can see the position of the two suns. You can only do that by folding it inward. Folding it outward will just show you if it was a flashlight on the outer part of the globe. Inward shows you two suns. That's the only way it could work. The cold fusion reaction takes place. Now these strange sounds are a result of the changes in this magnetic field on the outside of the Earth. So that's why the geologists now are saying, oh, it's coming from within, it's not from above. Well, duh, it's not from above, because the strengthening of the magnetic field is on this outer part. That's the field. There's also a field here, but this is where it's being generated from. The strengthening part right here. So when you strengthen it, it gets more dense. It comes together a little tighter, which is why there's been evidence of that through geology. So everyone's looking at it like, oh my goodness, look what's going on. And that's the result of that cold European winter you're seeing right now. Any object that is more dense, that's more condensed, is more magnetic. Cold functions in magnetic environments. That's the point of it. If the colder and the more compact it is, the more magnetic it becomes. So that's why it's so cold in Europe. The strengthening of the magnetic field is what's causing the cold in Europe. The strange sounds are a result of the movement. It's the magnetic field strengthening. All the Earth is moving. That's the result of those sounds. The light earthquakes we've been experiencing are all a result of the strengthening of Earth's magnetic field. Nothing else. There we go.